foodies! I'm Hanilyn Gragasin.
And I'm Charvet Gusto.
Welcome back to our channel. For this episode, we will share with you the very special recipe that you can make in any special occasions. In a pot, heat the oil and fry the carrots and potatoes. After frying, let's set aside the carrots and potatoes. Next, saute the onion and the garlic hanggang sa umamoy. Stir the onion with the garlic until golden brown. Add the pork and saute it until golden brown. Add the tomato paste and stir. Add some water. Simmer it until the pork is tender. Add the liver spread. Potatoes and carrots. Also the bell peppers. And then let's stir it.
Foodies, it's time to share our labor of love, the mouth-watering caldereta dishes we prepared.
Have some quick review from our guest and know what he says about the dish caldereta that we made.
Good day everyone, my name is Armando Esragendin and I am the one who has been invited to try and taste their dish, caldereta. Okay, now it's time to taste their food. So matapos kong tikman ang kanilang luto, ang masasabi ko ay naluto ito ng tamang-tama lamang. Ang patatas ay naluto ng tamang lambot. Gayon din ang carrots na meron pa rin itong konting lutong. Ganon din naman sa karne at ang kanyang taba. Naluto ito ng tama dahil ito ay lumambot at humihiwalay na rin sa kanyang buto. Ang masasabi ko sa kanilang luto ay napakagaling at napakasarap.
Until next time mga ka-foodies! Happy eating and happy cooking!